Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome back to the channel. You're watching the Revkid. So today I'm driving the all-new 2023 Hyundai Verna. It is the sixth generation of the Verna. This car has generated a significant hype and controversy in the automotive world. Its sleek and futuristic design combined with the innovative features has created a buzz among car enthusiasts and potential buyers alike. However, this excitement is accompanied by controversy mainly centered on the radical departure from the previous model's more conservative styling. The bold hexagonal grille, sharp body lines, and unconventional design elements have polarized opinions, with some embracing the change as a refreshing evolution and others criticizing it for deviating from the Verna's established design language. Love it or hate it, you just can't miss the new Verna. The absolute first thing that you will notice is the size and presence of the car. This is because the new Verna is now 95mm longer, 36mm wider, and has a 70mm longer wheelbase. To give a better idea of what these numbers mean, the Verna is now the widest car among its competitors and has the longest wheelbase too. What is more impressive is the 528 liters segment-based boot capacity with a low loading tape and a big luggage bay. Things on the inside aren't as dramatic as the exterior, but you do get a freshly designed dashboard and plenty other features. Plenty means plenty. Won't be going through all the features because this is going to be a really short and crisp review, so here is a list of features. You can just pause and take a look. Biggest improvement in this new generation Verna has come in the form of space. The longer wheelbase has opened a lot more knee room and leg room. Even the width is longer, so more shoulder room. Now let's talk about performance. The 1.5-liter turbo GDI petrol engine produces 160 PS of power and 253 Nm of torque, making it the fastest Verna. The engine is very much refined. It's creamy smooth with an even spread of power and performance that feels ample for the city and adequate out on the highway. Hyundai cars are not generally driver oriented, but this one, I must say, it is. The power delivery is linear, it takes no time to reach triple digit speeds, and it is also decent on the corners. But oh boy, this is one fast car. Coming to handling, steering has always been one of the barriers to spirited driving in Hyundai cars, and unfortunately that hasn't been completely resolved. It's miles better than the Vernas of old, but still far from the last word in feedback, weight or precision. What it's great at is being light and effortless, so when you're just mooching around town or parallel parking, you will really appreciate it. What has seen a marked improvement is the suspension and ride quality. What was once an overly soft, bouncy setup was rectified in the last generation with a lot more control, but this came with the side effect of thuds and crashes through bumps. This time they seem to have ironed it out and found a happy balance that's good for the driver as well as for the driven. But it still errs more on the side of comfort with nice soft edge, low speed bump absorption. Doesn't get too unsettled as you go faster. However, the chassis doesn't really complement the powerful engine, and enthusiasts will be looking for some stiffer springs as their first upgrade. In comparison, the Skoda Slavia and the Volkswagen Virtus, despite being less powerful, offer a lot more for enthusiasts when it comes to handling and dynamics. Based on all new platform, the Verna sure feels well built. Panel gaps are tight, there's some flex in the panels, but it doesn't feel like it's lightly built. Overall, it's a nice package. So that was my short review of the new generation Hyundai Verna. Hope you guys liked the video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. This is Revkid signing off. Thanks for watching.